Welcome back to the class. So we are still on our topic, which is calculus. So in this class now, we'll be looking at functions of function, which is function of function, derivation of one function over another function. So now let's see how to explain that now. Now we have our given y equals to f of u and u equals to h into bracket x, which is a function of x. So we're having two functions there. That's why I call it functions of function. This is a function y equals to f of u, and u is equals to what? H, which is the functions of what? X. So we're having a relationship between this. We're having our u here and we're having u. So we have to find the derivative of f of y equals to f of u, and which is equals to u equals to h into bracket x. So this is given as function of function. We are having derivatives of the y over what? The x is equals to the y. You find the derivative of y over u. That is the y over what? The u. The y, the u. So we are differentiating y in respect to what? To u. That is the y over what? The u times the u over the x with respect to what? To x. Let me write my u very well. The u over what? The x. So now, if we are to look at this mathematically, like as if we want to multiply the two derivative, the u can cancel the u, at the end you end up having the y over the x. So you're having the y over the x, which is equal to the y over the u times the u over the x. So this is also called, we call it chain rules. This is also called chain rule. These are for chain rule. So for functions of function, we are having the y over the x equals to the y over the u times the u over what? The x. So in the next video, we'll be looking at questions on functions of functions. Thanks for watching this video. In the next class, we will be looking at questions on functions of functions. So see you next time.